Come straight to me, Safa. So you go 13, please. I'll go 3 because I'm the serve. You're very welcome. Yes, so what we have for the sea bass, so a Newlyn line caught sea bass, pan-seared, to give a really crispy skin. We're serving it on a spiced turnip. And then just around there you have a little bit of confit potatoes, you have a shellfish velouté, and the butter we're using here, it's something we've been doing recently, especially in sort of our reopening, is we're taking the butter and we're smoking it with hay grass. So using hay, we're smoking that butter in, and then we're using that as the base for our sauces along with the mirepoix and mixing that in. So you've got shellfish velouté with that smoked butter, spiced turnips, and then just to finally finish it and bring it all together, some Austell Bay mussels. So a beautiful example of the sea in the plate there. For the other two, we have a set risotto. So this is aquarella rice, and these are seasonal mushrooms, a lot of them foraged wild mushrooms that we're introducing into here. So as you normally would, a mirepoix base for the aquarella rice, and then we're finishing it with those mushrooms inside the risotto, and then just braised and laid on top. The final garnish to go along with that is going to be some nasturtium leaves, so a lovely bit of spicy pepper bite coming from them, and then as well as some wood sorrel as well, so a little bit of acidity being introduced. Please enjoy. Thank you.
I can then send you some of the sustainable stuff that we do, and if I like some of it, I will. So our version is quite really strict.
We've been incredibly accommodating.
Why are you not?
I just don't drink it as much.
Hello. Just before the food arrives in front of you, literally as the food arrives in front of you, those of you who are still switched on will notice a bit of change in colour with the wine. We're still in England. This is a wine that's really important to our winemakers. Sparkling red wine. So this is almost a testament to their love story. A few years ago, it was called Pimlico when we first released it, as we noticed that all of our wines are named after French London boroughs. But yeah, this is a pure Pinot Noir sparkling red from England. It's crazy. It shouldn't work. It works really well. Sommelier said, is it quite a divisive wine? Do some people like it? Please don't let me down. I've not met anyone yet that doesn't like it. Most people, when it's poured, are like, oh, what's going on here? But everyone seems to like it. The lamb was just a good excuse to lead with the red. So enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Intrigued with this one.
We have some sauce to come as well.
Are you introducing that?
Yes, and then we have some sauces coming round.
Were you on site? Yeah, I've been on site. Yeah, a few times. Yeah,
Very well.
So I kind of met in there and then it's been a few times, but especially for the hotel. I love it.
The last three are missing. Right. And then here's one. At the other end.
So I'll grab your attention once more. Apologies for interrupting. I will catch you all for the final course.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Apologies at the end.
Last time.
Apologies, last time. So what we have here is the final course. We have our rhubarb and vanilla vacherin. So a vacherin is a meringue dome, and inside you'll have ice cream or sorbet or a parfait of a similar kind, French origin. So what we have is a meringue dome, and then inside you'll find a vanilla parfait. Alongside that, you're going to have some poached rhubarb, a rhubarb gel. We have some white chocolate balls hiding away as well. Then you're going to have a lovely sort of custard foam just on top of that. The twill to finish is also rhubarb, and then we're finishing on the sauce with some vanilla and rhubarb sauce there. Please enjoy. The last things just to arrive after this is going to be your petit fours. We'll start dropping them now. They're going to be a chocolate truffle and a passion fruit jelly. Enjoy. Wait. You're very welcome.
This one in London, but I believe in Sevilla you can do something that is pretty unique. That is, you take a bite.
The board as well.
It's gone. One guy is left.
Yeah.
So you can have his dessert.
Yeah, I will. Okay.